In this video, we bring 5 amazing secrets to keep smoothest legs ever. It is always a good time to take care of your skin, regardless of the season. One of the main components of having nice skin is having even softer legs. There are several methods that people have tried over the years to find the perfect formula for smooth legs, but not everything is the same. Smoother legs can be achieved by following some very effective steps. If you're ready for the silkiest skin you've ever had, check out these 10 amazing tricks for smoother legs. 5. Stick to shaving cream or shaving gel. You may be tempted to use soap to shave your legs, but this will do you no good. Shaving cream helps to soften hairs, making them easier to shave, according to Jennifer Schwalik Maryland, a lead dermatologist of Union Square Laser Dermatology in New York City. Shaving creams with vitamin E, lanolin, colloidal oatmeal or olive oil are all options that Schwalik recommends. 4. Exfoliate once skin gets dry. Many people may not think of dry skin as needing exfoliation, but this ensures that there is no dead skin build-up. Dry and rough skin that builds up can make it difficult for moisturizers and sunscreen to penetrate the skin and really hydrate and protect. Lactic acid and glycolic acid are both ingredients to look for in body creams and exfoliants. 3. Choose a good razor. All razors are not the most forgiving to your skin. It is important to choose a razor that prioritizes hydration. There are razors that have built-in moisturizing serum with shea butter and other hydrating ingredients, which can keep your legs moisturized for hours after a fresh shave. 2. Use sunscreen on your legs too. You may not think of using sunscreen even on your legs, but this can definitely make your legs smoother. Over long periods of time, sun damage can begin to make your legs less smooth, not to mention the overall danger of UV rays. A great time to apply a coat of sunscreen is right after you get dressed, to all exposed skin. 1. Moisturize within a minute of ending your shower. Applying a moisturizer within a minute of getting out of the shower will ensure that you are locking in the moisture from your shower. Your skin should still be damp when applying a body cream, which would preferably contain shea butter, lanolin, or ceramides. The skin on our legs is more susceptible to becoming dry, rough, and cracked than the rest of our bodies, said Dr. Schwalik.
If you like this video, please click on the like button for our appreciation. For more tips, tricks, and beneficial blog, please subscribe our channel. Topmost. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon.